Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system and the biggest planet if you exclude the gas and ice giants. Earth is the biggest and most massive planet of the inner solar system, or the rocky planets. It is just ever so slightly bigger than our planet's so-called twin, Venus. The oldest atoms found in the system have been found to be in between 4.568 and 4.5686 billion years old. From 4.5 to 4.58 billion years ago, a big body is said to have started to form where our planet now orbits. Our lunar counterpart is said to have formed less than 4.5 years ago. The moon is thought to have formed when a celestial body around the size of Mars and with a weight of 10% of Earth's collided into our planet. This body is commonly known as Theia. And by the way, the Earth's weight is 5.97 multiplied by 10 to the 24th power kilograms, or around 13 multiplied by 10 to the power of 24th pounds, or 5,970 yatograms. 32.1% of the Earth's weight comes from iron, and another 30.1% comes from oxygen. Earth is the only known planet to harbor significant amounts of water in the liquid form. 71% of the Earth's surface is occupied by water, 96.5% being oceans. The surface of Earth is made of several tectonic plates which interact with each other to produce mountains, earthquakes, and other surface features. Earth's name dates back for at least 1,000 years. Earth is the only planet to not be named after Roman or Greek god or goddess. Every other planet in the solar system is named after one, although the name is a Germanic word which simply means the ground. By the way, Germanic is basically an early version of a combo of languages including English, German, Yiddish, and Dutch. Because of the Earth's liquid outer core, Earth has a magnetic field. The magnetic field creates the magnetosphere, which shields the planet's atmosphere from being ripped away from solar wind. You probably already knew that our atmosphere consists mostly of gaseous nitrogen and oxygen. To be more specific, the atmosphere is composed of around 78.08% nitrogen, 20.95% oxygen, along with around 1% water vapor, depending on the climate. Argon is the most abundant inert gas in the atmosphere, with it being around 0.93% of it. Even after the ozone layer, a molecule made by the molecule O3, the average radiation dose is around 0.274 microsieverts per hour, or around 300 nanosieverts. The tropics receive more energy than the poles, and this explains why they are hotter. But because they are hotter, they transfer heat toward the poles, mostly via the atmosphere and the ocean's currents. There is plenty of water vapor in the atmosphere, resulting in big, fluffy objects commonly known as clouds. These objects are spread all over the planet. CO2, which is commonly known as carbon dioxide, and CH4, also known as methane, are special gases. These amazing gases help keep the planet warm by trapping heat emitted from the sun. But that isn't all. You really should watch the video on the upper right to continue learning about the Earth. These two videos together will surely make a big impact in your knowledge on our planet. And if you enjoy this video, you could also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.